Morrison's. You what? Pardon? Free food at Morrison's. Yeah. Strings attached. No. Free food at Morrison's. Here we go. Morrison's Cafe. Free jacket potato and Heinz beans. Normally £4. You just need to ask for Henry. Valid every day until 14th of July. If you are visiting the Morrison's Cafe, find your nearest, obviously. You'll have to go on their website and all that crap. You can get a completely free jacket potato topped with Heinz cheesy beans until Sunday, 14th of July, when you ask for Henry. Simple enough. At the till point, it would normally cost £3.50 for the jacket potato and an additional 75p for beans, £4.25 in total. Cool. Heinz has teamed up with Morrison's for this offer. Henry Heinz is the founder of Heinz, in case you're wondering. I wasn't, but obviously people who don't know probably don't. You want to ask where Henry came from? It's hoping that it will provide hot meals to those who may otherwise struggle to afford it. So even if this offer is not for you, please do pass this info on to somebody in need. It's available in all Morrison's 397 cafes and is on every day while cafes are serving hot food. Times may vary from each location. This is a total freebie with no minimum spend required, but it's limited to one free jacket potato and beans per customer per day. So no minimum spend, free jacket potatoes and beans. Cheese beans, whichever. I don't know which one it means. Probably cheesy beans. Just ask for Henry. I'm sure they'll guide you through it. It's free till the 14th of July. It's free food. A free jacket potato. If you don't like jacket potatoes, it's food. It's free. You can get one a day until 14th of July. You don't fuck with free food. It's free. Grab it while you can, because it won't be around forever. Obviously, because July 14th is the last day. That's it's second now. Well, it'll be second by the time this is thing. So 12 more days. For 12 more days, for 12 days in a row, you can get a free jacket potato with beans at Morrison's. Obviously, if you don't have Morrison's, then you don't have a look, but this is specifically for Morrison's restaurants, cafes. They would like to think the restaurants, but I'm not blabbering not too much here. So there you go. Don't you can read that pretty clearly. But there you go. Free jacket potato. Ask for Henry at the till point. Whatever that means. But you know, if you've been to Morrison's Cafe, you know what that means. You can just ask them at the counter. They'll probably tell you in the cafe. But yes, July 14th is your last day. But until that day, any day, one jacket potato with cheesy beans a day. Free! Nothing to pay. What are you waiting for? Subscribe!